Hi everybody, we've got a Prado 250 here, false floor as you can see. This one was a 5-seater, so we've got the plastics out the back, our 18mm solid top deck in here. Now you'll notice this one on the left hand side, it's got solar input, Anderson plug, we've got a gauge here with a couple of USBs, A and C, switch so you can turn that on and off, lift out here, and this is our PowerDeck. So we've got 100 amp hour particular system in here, 25 amp Redarc DC-DC charger. We've got fuse outlet with 3 extra spots, plug and play loom that connects directly to the factory wiring points without any special tools. You can get this one fitted within about an hour. Deck back down. As you can see, it's infinity compatible, so we've got the thread insert points there ready for our click in drawer modules, click in fridge slide, and we've got the points in the side along here for the wing kits as well. So you can get it back to this flat floor within a matter of literally a few seconds. Nothing's fixed in permanently, so you can literally click the modules out. Available lawsonautomotive.com.au.